we hope for the best. Cannot see so much going on. So guys, I know my hair doesn't look good at the moment. What I've done is I've just bleached my roots with Schwarzkopf, Blonde Me, and I use 6% peroxide. If you've watched my previous videos, you know how I bleach my hair. And now I'm going to try a new color, but before we start, I'm going to use the Porosity Equalizer spray from Kenra. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want the color to be even everywhere, not to be darker in one place and bright in another place. So I'm gonna use the Insamatic by Color Touch, and you can see, and the one I have is the muted Mauve, if I pronounce it right. So now I'm gonna start mixing, and I need to mix this. This one says it's 1:1 the ratio, so let's do that and then we'll see how dark it is. And it's a 6% developer, so let's see. And we are there. And I want to use the color Secret, and in the back it says if it's for color 1 drop per 30 ml. So we have 70 ml. I will put 2 drops. And I went online and I saw a lot of photos with this color like this, and then the color looks really nice. So I'm just thinking, shall I risk it, because I will be happy to get like something like that. And look at that, this is beautiful. So, and my phone is going on and on. And so shall we just give it a go? I hope I don't have to redo the whole color again, because I really don't have much time before my client comes, but let's just get it started and we hope for the best. Nothing changing in the bowl as well. There's no color in there or whatsoever, but we'll just hope for the best, guys. We just hope for the best. So on the package it said you have to apply it on dry hair, or you can apply it on damp hair, but the scalp needs to be dry. How your scalp can be dry when your hair is damp? I just don't get it. So I just finished with applying the color, and at the moment I'm not really pleased because I cannot see so much going on. I think I might have gone a bit high with the developer. I should have used, instead of 6%, probably 3%, so I can tone down the color, because we know that when we use a lower, then this means it darkens the hair, low peroxide. But I thought because my hair is damp, that's what is going to reduce the strength of the peroxide. So if I put like last time when I put 3%, it was way too dark my hair. So I thought this time I'm gonna leave it 6% and see what happens. So okay, let's just wait. I'm gonna wait 20-30 minutes with this color, and then after I wash it I'll be back. And I'm really hoping it actually works, guys, because I really don't have the time and the energy to redo the whole process all over again. So yeah, so it's been 20 minutes and that's what the color looks like. I'm not really sure, and I'm getting a bit worried because I'm not sure what actually is going to happen. So now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go under the shower and I'm just going to add a little bit of warm water and just bring all the color down as well, so I can get some color here. and I think this color is good if your hair is really bleached and it's too really white bleach, because I can see on some places here it's getting the color really nicely, but then on the yellow bits it's not doing it. So that's why I thought I like when I decide to use on my hair, because my hair is so dark naturally, I should tone it down, I should bring the color down, and I shouldn't try to go with light colors, otherwise I have to bleach my hair not once but twice so I can get really white. But because I don't want to burn my hair, I'm trying with one time bleach. And yes, I'm just gonna go under the shower, I will put warm water, I will bring it down or wait like that for 5 minutes, and then I'll see you back after the shower. Hey guys, so this is the final result of the color I did yesterday. When I finished with the color and everything, I was not sure about it and I was quite disappointed, so I did a video, end of video, where I was about to cry. But now when I look at the color during the day, I think it does look quite nice. It's a bit like on the top, as you can see, it's a bit like rose gold. It's not exactly like the color it should have become, but, and that's what the paper test looked like. So I do have hint of rose gold in there, but I could have had a more hint in it. It could have looked better if I lightened my hair one more time, but I did not want to damage my hair. But altogether I'm really happy with the result. And yeah, and if you're wondering how I achieved these curls, there's no hit, there's nothing. I just went to bed with the braids, like in the back braid, and that's how it looks like. And yeah, that's it. So thanks so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful, and if you do want to subscribe to my channel, I will really appreciate that fact. And if you want to give it a thumbs up, please do, so I know you like the video. And I'll see you in my next video, and don't forget to say what you think and do what you like, because that's what I'm doing.